Hello everyone, my name is Princess Oyilumi James and I'm the CEO of Light Confectionaries. In this video, I'll be showing you the basic equipment for baking. As a beginner, the basic things that you need to know for a start. So first of all, you need to know about your measuring spoons. This is measuring spoon. It is used to measure quantities in baking. The first we have here is 1 cup and it's 250 ml. As you can see it here. Here is it 250 ml. So the measuring spoon is used to know the particular quantity they are supposed to measure out for a particular recipe. We have different measurements here: 1 cup, half cup, and so forth, on and so forth. Next we have our measuring spoon. The measuring spoon is similar to the measuring cups. The only difference is these are in smaller quantities. So we have the tablespoon, the teaspoon, and so on and so forth. Here is just an example. This is 1 tablespoon. Yes, 1 tablespoon, as you can see it in the video. 1 tablespoon. The next I'll be moving on to is measuring tape. The measuring tape is used for measuring height, length, and breadth of cakes and things that you are working with. You know, some of the things that you bake, you actually need a measurement to know the width and the length and so on and so forth. So that's what the measuring tape is actually used for, to give the desired length and breadth for a particular product. It's also used to measure baking pans. One of the significant use of the measuring tape is to actually know the size of a particular baking pan. Now this is how we actually measure it. You place it at the base of the pan and measure it like this. With this, you will know that here in the video, as you can see, it stops at 10 inches. So this is a size 10 inches cake. A size 10 inches pan, size 10 inches pan. So one of the use of the measuring tape is to measure both your cake pan and then to measure baked products and the rest. The next I'll be moving on to is our turntable. The turntable in baking is used for mainly the buttercream cake and then during decoration. This is how the turntable is being used. When working with a cake, you place your cake on a cake board like this and then you turn it, you slide. At this particular moment, you'll be using a cake comb or something, so it may be a palette knife, a cake comb, or a scraper. So that's what you basically use your turntable for. The next thing that I'm going to introduce to you is your scrapers and your combs. Now this is a scraper. The only difference between a scraper and a comb is this: